Welcome to this session on Python dictionaries. In this module, we will see what is a dictionary object and learn about methods that can help us manipulate a Python dictionary object. Let us start by creating a dictionary object. A dictionary object consists of a key-value pair. Each key in a dictionary will have one or more values. Let us start by creating a dictionary object. We create a variable emp with name, age, gender, and salary as keys, and John, 23, male, and 10,000 as corresponding values for the keys. Let us check the data type of the emp variable with the type function. We see it is a dictionary object. Note that a dictionary is created using curly brackets. We create another dictionary variable, say employees. However, in this variable, for each key, we have multiple values in the form of a list. As you can see, the names key has 3 values: John, Mary, and Rosie. Similarly, the age key also has 3 values like 23, 34, and 27. Note it is not mandatory to have equal number of values for each key. In other words, each key can have different number of values. Let us print the variable, employees. You will notice how the values for the keys appear in a list. Now, let us see how to retrieve the values from a dictionary object using the keys. We take the dictionary variable and specify the key inside the square brackets for which we need to retrieve the value. Note, by specifying the name key, we are able to retrieve the corresponding value for the key. Similarly, by specifying the gender key, we are able to retrieve the corresponding value for the gender key. Let us now take the employees dictionary object. Here, we specify the names key. Note, in this case, as a value we get the list object, and not a single string or an integer. Similarly, we specify the age key. Again, in this case, as a value we get the list object, and not a single string or an integer. Now that you have noticed how the names key with the employees dictionary object returns a list, we can further slice the return list to retrieve a single value from the list. You can also store the outcome when you slice a dictionary using a key, and then further index the outcome for retrieving the desired value. As you can see, here, we index the list with index position to get the desired value. Let us now see how to update the values in a dictionary object. As you know, if we use an existing key to slice a dictionary, it returns us the corresponding value. However, if we assign a new value to the key, the existing value gets overwritten. As you see, the name John is overwritten with Tommy. Next, we move to adding values to a dictionary. Note how we add a new key and its corresponding value. Notice how the location as the key and Tokyo as the value got added to the dictionary. We can also delete a key and its corresponding value with the del statement. Notice that the gender key and its value male is removed from the dictionary. We now look into a few methods that a Python dictionary object provides us. We use the items method to retrieve all the key value pairs in a dictionary object. Notice how each key value pair is put inside a tuple. Take a note on the output when we call the item method on a dictionary where each key has more than one value. The keys method returns all keys in a dictionary. With the values method, we can return all the values in a dictionary object. In order to remove a value from a dictionary, we use the pop method and pass the key to the pop method. In this example, we remove the age key and its value. As shown earlier, we can also use the del statement to remove a key and its value from a dictionary object. Let us now attempt a question. In case a value in a dictionary is a list, can we add values to the list? Yes, we can. Let us retrieve the list first using a key in the dictionary. We see we have the list. Now, from our earlier videos, we know list has the append method to add values. We call the append method on the list and pass the value that is to be added. Notice that Tommy is added to the list inside the dictionary. Let us add a value to the list that is associated with the H key. See, the value 25 got appended to the list inside the dictionary. Thank you. Happy learning!